Good morning, children. This is your English teacher Rajni, DAV Public School, Dr. NTTPS, Ibrahim Patnam. Welcome to our English class. In the last class, I told you lesson number 5, Best Friends. Today we are continuing the remaining part. The main characters in the story are Daya and her mother. Is it or not? Now see. What I told you in the last class, Daya's friend is Sujata. Sujata. They were friends from nursery onwards, but now they came to third class. Sujata's father got transfer. So she left the school. They were going to another city. So Daya was very much worried about her friend. She was very much worried. And when Daya's mother saw her, Daya was sitting alone in her room. When Daya's mother saw her, she comforted her and said that she can find the new friend. Again, she can find a new friend. Anyhow, Daya's mother asked her to come to lunch. Now see the today's continuation. Seeing her sitting with the cart, her mother hugged Daya tightly. Don't worry, Daya. I know it's hard to lose your best friend. Just be strong and be yourself. Your best friend will find you very soon. Her mother rocked her gently. See here, what happened? Daya's mother, what she said? Seeing Daya sitting with the cart, mother hugged Daya tightly and comforted her not to worry because she knew that it is very hard to lose her best friend, but asked her to be strong and be herself because again her best friend, that means she will find a new best friend within a short time. In that way, she comforted Daya's mother. Daya's mother comforted Daya like that. Daya's mother comforted like that. Now see. Daya got up and put the cart safely in her cupboard. Holding her mother's hand, she ran down the steps to the gate. Her father was waiting patiently in the car, ready to take her to school. Anyhow, mother convinced her by telling soothing words. So, Daya got up and put the cart safely in her cupboard. Okay? She put that cart safely in her cupboard. Now Daya hold her mother's hands and ran down the steps to the gate because Daya's father was waiting patiently in the car because he wants to take her to school. Father wants Daya to take her to school. Okay, he wants to drop her in the school. In another house not too far away, Juma was worried too. Already I said when I told the characters, Juma was also there. Juma, a new friend to Daya. That means maybe neighbors, I think. Neighbors in another house not too far away from her house. Juma was there. Juma was worried too. Juma was worried too because here Daya was worried that Sujata was not there. Here Juma was also worried because that is the day, today is the day she is going to the school for the first time. Juma was also worried to go to the school because it is the starting day to go to the school. Then what happened? See, Juma had many things to do before going to school. She had to fetch water, cut the vegetables for her mother, and bath her small sister. Actually, you children, what you will do before coming to school, you will complete your homeworks, set your bags, pencils, everything, and you'll start going to the school. But here, Juma, she had many things to do before going to school. What are that? She has to fetch water. Fetch means go and bring water to the house. And she has to cut the vegetables for her mother. And she has to bathe her small sister. She had to do all these things before coming to the school. She knew she could finish all the work quickly like she did every day. She was worried because she did not know how she would like the school. Okay, Juma knew that she could finish all the work in time. She could finish all the work quickly because she was habituated to do all the work and she knew that she could finish the work quickly. But she was worried. She did not know how she would like the school. Okay, see. She was worried to go to the school because what? Because see now, will the children laugh at me? She thought. Will I make friends? Juma is worried whether the children would laugh at her. Juma was worried whether all the children would laugh at her and also thought whether they would make friends with her. Whether they would make friends. That's why she was worried. Juma finished all her work, all her morning course, Course means nothing but work, and got ready. She had a long 30-minute walk ahead of her to reach the school. Okay, Juma had finished all the morning work. That means bathing, go and bring the water, cut the vegetables, and what is that? Bathe her small sister. Everything she completed and got ready to go to the school. But before going to the school, she has to walk. That means nobody is there to bring her to school. Okay, that's why she has to. She had a long walk to reach the school. The school gates were open. The school gates were open. Children were rushing in, laughing and calling out to each other. When Daya entered through the gates, she saw her classmates standing in the playground. Their excited voices jumbled together as they shared their news. Okay, when Juma reached the school gates were open. Children were rushing. Everybody is going fast, laughing and calling out to each other. They were calling their names, each other. Daya entered through the gates. Now Daya entered through the gates. She saw her classmates standing in the playground. When she entered the gates, she saw all the classmates were standing in the playground. And she listened their excited voice jumbled together as they shared their news. What is that news? See? What is that news? See? Oh, look at that new girl, Ananya said suddenly, giggling. Oh, look at the new girl. That means all the children were excited to see the new girl. Who is the new girl here? Juma. So, everybody is excited and stopped seeing Juma. They were laughing each other. And look at her clothes. Rita added. One more student, Rita added, to see Juma's clothes. Daya turned to look. In the corner near the climbing bar, a girl was standing shyly. Daya turned to look. In the corner near the climbing bar, a girl was standing shyly. Her clothes were clean but very faded. It was hard to say what color they had been originally. Okay. Ananya said, seeing Juma, that she was a new girl. She laughed seeing Juma. And Daya, one more student, said to look at Juma's clothes. Juma's clothes. Daya turned to look. When Rita told, Daya also turned to look at Juma's clothes. In the corner, there was a girl. There was a girl standing shyly. Shyly means already I said, feeling nervous. Her clothes were clean only, but they were faded. That means the clothes lose their color. Her clothes, that means Juma's clothes were neat only, but the clothes were faded. Faded means it lost its color. It was hard to say what color they had been originally. Okay, children? See next. Children, now already all the children went to the class, even Juma also. Now, children, this is Juma. She will be in your class. A teacher introduced her and immediately rushed off. Okay. Now, a teacher introduced Juma that introduced to the children that the new girl name is Juma and she will be in their class. Saying that word, she immediately rushed off. Juma, what kind of name is this? What kind of name is that? Daya heard someone say with a laugh. Daya heard that some students are teasing her by telling that what kind of name was that? Juma, what kind of name was that? They were teasing her, telling that what kind of name was that? Daya looked at Juma again. The new girl had a small, uncertain face. Daya looked at Juma again. The new girl had a small, uncertain smile on her thin face and was trying to look brave. Daya noticed her large, beautiful eyes. They had a frightened look in them, as if she was trying hard not to run away and cry. Okay, when all the other girls were teasing, Daya looked at Juma again. She observed that Juma had a small, uncertain smile on her thin face and she was trying to look brave. Daya noticed that her eyes were very beautiful but had a frightened look. And she was trying hard not to cry and not to run away from the place, even though they were teasing. All the students were teasing. Okay, anyhow, Daya only walked forward and held out her hand to the girl. Okay, she wants to make friend with her. So she walked forward. Hello, I'm Daya. Your name is so beautiful. Daya held Juma's hands. The other girls were staring at her as if she has gone crazy. Daya smiled again and was glad to see Juma slowly smiling back. Now, Daya went to Juma and introduced herself that her name was Daya and also said that Juma was also beautiful name. Telling that words, she held Juma's hands. While Daya was talking with Juma, all the other girls were staring at her as though Daya had gone mad. Anyhow, Daya smiled again and was very happy to see Juma slowly smiling back. Okay, now Daya was very happy because to see Juma slowly smiling back. Now she thought in her mind that her mother was right. You just need to be yourself. best friends like you the way you are. Now she got in her mind. What she got in her mind? Her mother was right. She will find her best friend again in the school. Now she got her best friend, that is none other than Juma. Children understood no? What's the moral of the story? If we are kind and good to others, we will always find good friends like Daya. Daya is very good girl and a kind girl. So she got a new friend, that is Juma. So children, be good, be kind so that you will find good friends. Thank you children. Have a nice day.